Hello and welcome to the continuation of our tutorial in Excel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can compute students examinations. So quickly, we have the name, we have tests, we have the exams, we have their total, and we have their grade. So quickly, I'll begin with James, Peter, Nehemiah, and Paul. Now quickly, their test score 20, 23, 12, or rather let's say 30, and we have 12 here. Now the exams, we have 40, we have 23, we have 50, and we have 23 here. Now for you to be able to have this total, all you need to do is just to open up a bracket and drag across this, close the bracket and press enter. So that's the total for the first candidate, and drag across for the entire. Now for you to be able to insert grade, you need to make use of the if function. Now we're going to make reference to this cell where the total is, because the grade and the total are related. So of course you have A is 70 and above, you have B 60 to 69, you have C 50 to 59, you have D 45 to 49, you have E 40 to 44, and you have 39 below is F. So we can enter that possibility here. So now if this cell address, which is D3, is greater or equal to 70, the computer should record it for us as A. If, open another bracket, the same D3 is greater or equal to 60, else, supposed to be a comma, else the computer should record it as B. Else, another condition, if D3 is greater or equal to 50, else the computer should record this as C. Else, another condition, if D3 is either small or capital letter, it doesn't really matter. So far, it's actually the cell address in question is going to act appropriately. So we say 45, else the computer should record it as D. Else, another condition, now if D3 is greater or equal to 40, else it should be recorded as E. Else the computer should call it an F. So mind you, you will count the number of times you've opened this bracket. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to close the bracket 4 times. Now once I'm done, all I need to do is to hit on the enter button. Now it's asking that I should accept a correction. So as you can see, the formula now is correctly written. So all I need to do is to drag across board, and I'm going to have my results applicable. So any value above 70 is A, and any value within this range to 49 is actually D. So this is how you can be able to compute a formula. So please look at the formula bar correctly and enter in for the grades appropriately. Ensure that where you need to put comma is put appropriately, and once you've done that correctly, you'll be able to get this result. So thank you for listening. Like and subscribe if you have not done that. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for listening.